Before we get started, I wanted to go over a couple pros and cons of running an arbitrage bot on Solana. So the pros are that the software is free, but it has a 5% performance fee on every profitable transaction. So if a transaction goes through but it's not profitable, the only thing you're paying for is the transaction fee. Potential for significant earnings, support in the Discord server, and the simplification of a very complicated DeFi strategy. Cons are the upfront costs. So a server that you'll be remoting into can cost $50 to $200 a month. Good connections to the blockchain, $200 to $500 a month, and the suggested capital for ARB transactions, which is $3,000 plus. Another con is that covering costs is never guaranteed, and that you will occasionally have to tune your configuration. In conclusion, you need money to make money. Arbitrage is super competitive right now in the Solana space, and it's a necessity to have some of the best hardware and connections to the blockchain. If you have any questions on these pros and cons that I've just listed out, reach out in the Discord and I can answer any questions. But for now, let's hop into it. Let's get started on step one, the server setup.